So it's not always just about cars and going electric, and of course transport including vans and trucks are part of it as well. So this is the Peugeot e-Partner van. It's a van that has about 258 kilometres of claimed range, a 7.5 hour single phase 32 amp charge cycle, and a quick charge of 30 minutes on a DC fast charger at 100 kilowatts of 0 to 80. So it's a really important part of our future to get these vans up and running. So very nice interior, that nice comfort for the driver there, good armrest and good driver displays. And if we just pop in, we'll have a look from inside. So as you would expect in a van, lots of room in here, very good driver display in front of us. Actually quite like the dials being on there as well. This van is fully charged. Got a nice display there with some smart touch buttons, but no physical buttons. And then if we scroll down, we can see we're selecting our drives, some controls here, we're in park, and we've got a 12-volt charger right down the bottom down there. If we can zoom in a bit on that and get that to go down for you. Oops, as I go the wrong way, down there at the bottom. So very nice, very good, spacious, but of course being a van you would expect it to do that because it needs to give comfort to the driver. So let's just have a look at the actual cargo bay. Okay, so nice entry from the side here on the sliding door, and then inside really good cargo space for storage. We'll have a look from the back as well. So we can see here the storage area and the cargo bay. It's 750 kilo maximum load. This is a 50 kilowatt van battery, but coming up hopefully in the not too distant future is this, which is 77 kilowatts. So that range will jump considerably with that, but you know, 750 towing or carrying capacity, really good on this van. So this is the charging port on the left rear panel of the e-Partner. Now it is worth noting that charging port is manual. The sliding door doesn't detect it, so as you slide it back it will push the panel closed. So won't really damage it because it's on a hinge and it'll push it in, but it's not capable of sensing that. And just having a look from this passenger side, that you know you're not going to be struggling if you're sitting in this van as a passenger either. Very comfortable seats, lots of leg room, and a really good van.